Most people wash their sheets wrong, not because they skip washing them, but because of how they wash them. If your sheets don't feel fully fresh, even right after laundry, this is probably why. You didn't miss a step, but something is being left behind. Sheets collect sweat, body oils, and laundry detergent every week. So naturally we think more soap means cleaner sheets. A fuller washer equals efficiency. Cold water protects the fabric. That sounds right. But that combination is exactly what's keeping them from feeling fully clean. So what's actually happening? When you use too much detergent or overload the washer, water can't circulate properly. And the rinse cycle can't fully flush everything out. Detergent doesn't just disappear, it clings to the fibers. That leftover residue traps body oils, and body oils hold on to odor. And now your clean sheets are coated. They look clean, but they aren't residue free. So are your sheets dirty? Not exactly. Did you ruin them? No. But why don't they feel crisp? Because coated fabric doesn't breathe the same way. It holds onto moisture differently, it feels heavier, and that's exactly what you're noticing. You wash them, you dry them, you put them back on the bed, they smell fine, but when you lay down later, they don't feel light. That faint heaviness, that's buildup. We assume if it went through the washer, it must be clean. But clean and residue-free are not the same. Most people aren't underwashing their sheets, they're over-soaping them and sealing things in. Once you understand that, the fix isn't extreme. Use less detergent than you think you need, don't overload the washer, let water circulate fully, skip heavy softeners on sheets. That's it, no deep clean ritual, just better rinsing. You weren't doing something wrong, you were just leaving something behind. And once residue is gone, sheets feel lighter, crisper, actually clean. And remember this, clean doesn't always mean residue free. If something feels off after washing, it might not be dirt, it might be buildup. And once you understand that, it stops feeling mysterious. Now, if you want to know why your clean clothes smell again, this video is what you should watch next.